The USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service is providing its planners more than booklet learning. The Nebraska Soil Health School, recently held in North Platte, offered lecture sessions and hands-on learning for NRCS planners, local agriculturists, and others. Carlos Villarreal, USDA NRCS Nebraska State Soil Scientist, said their planners meet producers and discuss the steps of conservation.
Usually talk about the principles of soil health, keeping the ground covered, having a living root throughout the year, minimizing the disturbance, whether that's a tillage practice, and try to convince them or show them the benefits of a no-till management system, diversity in crop rotation, diversity in cover crops, and then the integration of livestock. Once we understand the principles of soil health, then we can talk about how we use those different principles to address those resource concerns on their property. And like we say, the conservation plan is just a roadmap to help the producer meet their conservation needs and goals and objectives.
Villarreal said jointly the University of Nebraska-Lincoln and NRCS are working on new aspects of conservation.
Urban agriculture is a big thing, and as conservation planners who have typically not been in that arena, we rely on our UNL Extension educators, or UNL Extension and UNL researchers to help us understand the science of urban agriculture. The same with soil health and understanding no-till management systems. You know, they have research studies that have been going on for more than 40 years, and we're able to use information that's collected from that farm, translated for us to understand so that we can share that with our producers as well. So just that collaborative effort is so important for us to be able to be on the front lines of conservation, working with private landowners across the state to ensure that the science is being implemented correctly, and that we're doing a good thing with soil health across the state.
Villarreal was one of many speakers at the second two-day Nebraska Soil Health School sponsored by UNL and the USDA NRCS on June 27th and 28th at the West Central Research Extension and Education Center in North Platte. The next workshop will be held in August at the Haskell Lab in Concord, Nebraska.